to do at Deep Kloof Police Station?
Wakusho yini ukuthi lo msolwa ube ukwenzani khona lapha e Deep Kloof Police Station?
Cha, azange ngivuthe. Wayekwenzani yazama angikhumbule sitshela ukuthi wayekwenzani umsolwa le.
I do not remember him telling us what the suspect was going to do at the Deep Kloof Police Station.
So now you are traveling with the suspect to Deep Kloof Police Station. Was there any conversation between yourself and the suspect during the conveyance of the suspect?
Seniyahamba ke niyakhona lapha ke e Deep Kloof Police Station. Ngabe ke kukhona ke enanixoxa ngaphakathi emotweni sengisho ukuthi phakathi kwakho ke nomnareng nalo msolwa lo?
Cha, akukho.
No, there wasn't.
All right. The only role you played is to convey the suspect from Eraton to Deep Kloof and to take the suspect to Valeria Police Station.
Ilelo chaza ke enalibamba ngalelo suku ukuthi ke nihambise lo nomsolwa ukumsusa eEraton nimse Deep Kloof, so Deep Kloof nimse Valeria Pretoria. Umsebenzi wona wenza nina ngalelo suku la?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Will you dispute the fact that the accused was assaulted in your presence?
Ungaphikisana nalokho ke ukuthi umangalelwa washawa ukhona wena okanye nikhona nini?
Cha, ngiyaphika.
Uyaphika?
Yebo ngiyaphika.
I dispute that.
And if the accused had to have an opportunity to open a case against you for assault, your plea will be a plea of not guilty. Is that correct?
Uma ke umangalelo kungenzeka ke ukuthi nalithuba usenalo manje lokuthi maka anivulele icala lokushawa. Wena ke uzothi mawuyiphendulela kulelo cala uzophendula ngokuthi wena awunaqala.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. When what time did you book in Mr. Spear at Valeria? What time was it?
Uma senimshiya khona lapha okanye niyomshiya khona lapha eValeria o Babu Spear bekungobani isikhathi?
Bekusebusuku ngikhumbula isikhathi.
It was in the night. I cannot remember the time.
All right. How do you record any event or anything that you perform whilst you are on duty? During the course and scope of carrying your work, where do you record every event? Where?
Umsebenzi okanye izenzakalo zonke ezixhumene nomsebenzi owenzayo ni bhala kuphi?
Pocket book.
That is recorded in the pocket book.
Are you in possession of a pocket book?
Ngabe uyiphethe kuwena pocket book?
Cha.
No.
Was everything done on the 30th? I believe it was the 30th of May 2020. At the time when you received this suspect, did you record every incident on your pocket book?
Ngizokholela ukuthi ke nge-30 zika May 2020 kungalelo suku ke nathola lona ke umsolwa okanye umangalelo wabhala konke ngalelo suku ke izenzakalo noma igameko ezixhumene nomsebenzi owuwenza ngalelo suku.
Cha.
Uthi cha ini?
Umbuzo uthi ima ngithi ngabhala.
Uthi wena wabhala konke yini nge-30 zika May 2020 mayelana nakho konke ubukwenza ukwaxhumeneke naleli cala elimayelana nomangalelo?
Cha, azange ngibhale kangenayo pocket book
nale. No, I did not record anything on that date in particular, because during those months I was not in possession of the pocketbook.
Is that the solid reason why you could not record anything? Other than a pocketbook, any scrap paper can't be of essence to record what you were doing.
Ngaphandle kwe pocketbook ke ayikho ke pocketbook. Kwakungekho mhlambe nepheshana nje ubungalisebenzisa ukuthi ubhale phansi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalolu suku. No, I did not have.
How can we assure this honorable court that you were on duty on that day?
Manje singaqinisekisela inkantolo kanjani ukuthi ngalolu suku ke wena ubusumsebenzini. Ngempela.
E-ofisini masi reporter on duty bayabhala ukuthi si on duty ngalelo.
Now, when we report for duty at the office, it is written down that we are on duty on that day.
All right. Do we have that proof, or can we obtain that proof to conclude that we are on duty on that particular day?
Manje sinento ebambekayo yokuthi ngalolo suku ubusemsebenzini. Sinobufakazi yini obubambekayo obungasho ukuthi ngalolo suku ubusemsebenzini yini?
Yep.
Yes.
All right. Who is your commander?
Ukomanda wakho bani?
Or who was your commander on that day?
Bekubani ke ukomanda wakho ngalolo suku? Sikhuluma nge-30 zika May 2020. Ngisho ukuthi ngalolo suku esikhuluma ngalo i-30 zika May 2020 bekubani ukomanda wakho?
I-commander yami esiphethe unitini kwakunhlapho mangikhumbula kahle.
If I remember well, it was Nhlapo, the commander that was in charge. It was Nhlapo.
All right. Was it not prudent enough for Nhlapo to convey a message as your commander from Brigadier Kininda to instruct you to attend to the request of Mr. Kininda?
Bengekhona ke ukuhlakanipha ukuthi mhlambe ngendlela bezobe ebambeke le case ngakhona ukuthi kube uNhlapo okwaziyo ke ukuthi anikeza ama instructions aqhamuka khona le ku Kininda. Amanye amazwi Kininda atshela uNhlapo, uNhlapo atshele nini ukuthi uGininda uthini?
Angingazi ukuthi kungaba ukuhlakanipha.
I wouldn't know whether it would have been prudent or not.
All right. But according to the area, the geographical area of Eraten, that area is covered by JMPD. Am I right?
I-Eraten leyo ndawo leyo ingaphansi kwe JMPD. Ngabe ngiqinisile?
Yebo.
That is correct.
Do you know the reason why it was necessary and imperative for you to be called, or maybe I can reserve it for Colonel Kininda, but do you know of any reasons why they had to call you, precisely you and Mnareng?
Uyasazi yini isizathu esenza ukuthi babize nina wena noMnareng ngendlela le ikhethile babize wena noMnareng?
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe indlela asithemba ngayo ngoba besinokusebenza.
Well, I'm thinking that could have been as a result of how he trusted us, because we used to work with him.
All right. The answer that I'll give you is because from the time he was arrested, you were involved in the assault of the accused, torturing of the accused.
He was involved.
Yes, with other Metropolis officers.
Magaboshwa lona umangalelo. Nawe ke walibamba iqhaza ekutheni kushawe nokuthi kuhlukunyezwe lona ke umangalelo.
Cha,
ningamaphoyisa. Nisicuku nje samaphoyisa.
cha, angizange ngilibambe iqhaza la.
No, I did not contribute in that.
The reason being that, to advance my reason, is because as an EMPD, you were within the jurisdiction, because the accused was arrested at Ekurhuleni in Tembisa.
Isizathu esenza ukuthi ngikhulume kanjalo ingoba wena wawungaphansi kwaleyo ndawo yase Ekurhuleni. Kwaphela ke ummangalelwa waboshwa khona laphana endaweni yase Tembisa, nithembisa lena ke ise ekudluleni.
Mina ngiyafika lo.
I dispute that.
All right, it's fine. Let's move on. Let's move on. You arrived. Okay. Are you aware that the accused person was arrested at 1 o'clock during the day in Tembisa?
Uyakwazi lokho ukuthi ummangalelwa waboshwa ngo 1 o'clock emini eTembisa? No, I don't know that.
So at the time he was booked, right? Thank you, Manu. My instruction is that accused number 1, may I approach him? Thank you, my lord, for your indulgence. May I proceed?
Yes.
Okay, I was questioning on the time in which the accused was paid. All right, so let me just put it this way. My instruction is that he was arrested at 1 o'clock in Tembisa on the 30th of May 2020.
Usho njalo ke ummangalelwa ukuthi waboshwa ngo 1 o'clock emini eTembisa nge-30 ka May 2020.
Ngingathini mina la.
What can I say about that now?
Do you dispute it?
Uyakuvuma lokho noma
Agree on it?
uyakuphika okanye khona mhlawumbe ungakusho ngalokho?
Akukho engakusho ngalokho.
There isn't anything I can say about that.
All right. So you were not present when the accused was arrested?
Makaboshwa ummangalelwa wena ubungekho ngekade boshwa khona laphana eTembisa ngo 1 o'clock nge-30 ka May.
Cha, bengekho.
No, I wasn't there.
All right. So now we are taking the accused or the suspect to Villari police station. What time was it?
Manje ke senthatha lona ummangalelwa nomsevila area police station bekungobani isikhathi ngobani isikhathi?
Sasikhumbula isikhathi.
I cannot remember the time.
All right. It's my instruction that it was in the early hours of the 31st of May 2020. Do you agree?
Usho kanjalo ke ummangalelwa ukuthi mhlambe kungutathakusa nje okanye kulamahora nje aqala usuku nge-31 sika May 2020.
Angiyeke ngisikhumbule isikhathi ukuthi kwakuba.
I cannot remember the time as to what time it was.
The reason is because you did not record anything that was happening.
Isizathu ukuthi wena ubungabhali phansi konke okwakwenzeka.
Kungaba yilo.
That could be the reason.
Thank you. And you are a qualified police officer.
Oyisake eli qualified. Yes.
But who is irresponsible about recording?
There's any basis for making those imputations to the witness?
Now I withdraw the question, Madam. What's it again? My lord, I would like to refer the witness to exhibit MM. It's on page 2189. 2189.
This one,
What's the problem?
all the entries in respect of accused number 1 are not yet before court.
What's that?
The occurrence book entries in respect of accused number 1 are not yet before court.
Yes.
Only all the entries in respect of accused number 2. We've just now agreed with my learned friend that we can hand up OB entries in respect of accused number 1, and that will be exhibit NN.
Yes, Mr. Mkuruzu.
Thank you, my lord. So, sir, are you in possession of the document, the occurrence book? Reflecting
Uyayibona occurrence book?
Yeah, ngiyabona.
Yes, I can see it.
On the bottom part of the page 2189.
Uyayibona ke la phansi ku
Do you see that
2189.
entry?
Uyakubona lokho? Uyabona le?
Is it 87 or 89? 2187.
O 2187 noma
The last
2189.
entry
Le?
on that page.
O 87 noma 89 lo.
Yebo ngiyabona.
O 87 noma 89.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi 87.
I think it is 87.
Thank you. Let's just
2187.
proceed. Can you confirm that that entry confirms that the suspect was booked in at 1:40 in the AM?
Ungaqinisekisa ke ukuthi wabhukwa ini ngo 140 ekseni.
Yeah, ngaloko kubhalelwa it's 140.
Based on what is recorded here, it is 140.
He was booked by Sergeant Mohola
wafaka khona laphana ke uSergeant Mohula.
Yebo ngiyabona.
Yes, I can see that.
All right. So, have you seen Sergeant Mahola? Or is it Sergeant or Captain? But it refers to Mahola.
Uye wambona yini uSergeant Mohula? uSergeant noma uCaptain wambona yini? I did see him.
Is it a him or she?
Umuntu wesilisa noma wesimame?
Owesimame.
It's a female being.
All right. Who was supposed to book this suspect? Because you said he was given to you by Brigadier Gininda to take him to Villarreal police station.
Ubani obefanele ukuthi ambuke in waphela ke
There's no evidence of the witness. He said he was asked to escort the team to Villarreal.
May I rephrase, my lord? May I rephrase? So, when you left Eratin to Pretoria to Villarreal, were there any other officers except the Metro Police officer?
mansuke Eratin near Villarreal Pretoria kwakhona amanye amaphoyisa ke ngaphandle kwe Metropolis.
Yeah.
Yes, there were other police officers.
Was Constable Telezi present?
Constable Telezi
SAPS.
we SAPS. Constable Telezi we SAPS. Yeah, nube khona yini?
Angikhumbule introduce Constable Tellis or yena introduce.
No, I do not remember Constable Telezi being introduced to me or that he to police. I'm not sure how many were they.
Thank you, my lord. I have not correct.
Thank you, my lord. Because it is a charge of assault, GBH, preferred against accused. Is it accused, Mr.
Kunale launa ukushaya lona ke there wasn't any charge which was
None, my lord.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, ma'am, Mr.
As a court case, my lord, the state calls the next witness. Exhibit made on the 24th of June 2020 to Magistrate Grenier. Exhibit GG is the pointings out by Colonel Hadebe, the 5th of June 2020. And Exhibit HH.
English full names.
Full names, Wendell
Wendell
Logan.
Do you have any objection in taking a prescribed for the truth? If so, raise
Sir, please.
A constable in the...
it.
2014.
Is it correct that during the period 2019, known as the Special Weapons...
The witness has to testify regarding that.
It's an egg. You know, those are...
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, my lord, I wanted the evidence should come from the witness.
The leading
Because
question
you have
is...
the leading questions regarding introductory qualifications.
Where there are issues sometimes that could be a common cause between parties.
Yes.
So well, it is
It's a particular... Like Lenny Metro.
You mean from 2019, my lord? From 2019 up to
2022 being
it stands for
special
This unit.
escort high-profile suspects. We did cash and transit heists, kidnappings, serious into that.
manje ke umsebenzi wethu ke bekubhekana ke namacala abucayi kakhulu okanye amambi kakhulu ukuthi ke si escorte okanye ukuphelekezela ke amacala wa abantu esithi ke ilama high profile abasolwa abanjalo ke nokuthi sibhekene ke namacala wotshontshwa okanye ukuduna kweimoto ke zemali okanye ke ukuphangwa kweyimoto zeimali cash heist kanti ke namaqala we kidnapping kanjalo.
just if we can just quickly interrupt, we found the relevant portion, section 166, cross-examination and re-examination of a witness. It says, examination in chief, mere formal and introductory particulars such as the status and age of the witness and facts which are not in dispute may be put into the witness' mouth. As a general rule, the examining chief can safely state with words or stay with words such as who, what, where, when, why, where to, where from, where with, what, etc., and how.
The section 166.
Yes, 166.
Any response?
My lord, I still differ, my lord, with the explanation, with the...
Differ with what? With the do it. The one who wrote the textbook.
The one who wrote the textbook, my lord.
And
because
differ also with what? The government printer who wrote section 166.
No, my lord, with the interpretation of what was transpired, what was happening when I objected.
Oh, I see.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
fine. Let's proceed.
As a court pleases, yes. Do you know the investigating officer in this matter, Brigadier Gininda?
Yes,
Yes, I know him.
Yes. How do you know him?
he is the commander of the cold case unit.
Uthi ke commander wama cold case unit.
Have you had any interactions with him?
On few occasions, he would seldom visit. He wasn't present at all. How can I put it? We met a few times on a few occasions.
Ube nokufika laphana ngokuzosibona okanye ezosivakashela nje kodwa ke bengeyena ke umuntu uBrigadier Gininda engangibona njalo kodwa ke ube nokufika nje kwezinye inkathi.
Were you rendering any assistance to him?
To his team, yes, we assisted in escorts.
Kwithimba lakhe besikwazi ke ukuthi size ngoku-escorta okanye ukubaphelekezela.
On the 24th of June 2020, were you on duty?
Yes, I was, my lord.
Uthi nge-24 zika June 2020 bengisemsebenzini.
Can you tell the court in your own words what happened regarding this matter?
Okay, on the 24th of June, we conducted an escort of a suspect from Moot Police Station in Pretoria to Boksburg Magistrates Court.
The name of the police station in Pretoria?
Moot.
Uthi ke ngalo suku ke sa escorta ke umsolwa ukusuka eMoot police station ese Pretoria samsa ke police station yase Boksburg.
Yes. How did you become involved?
We were called by Sergeant Mohane.
Sabizwa ke nguye Sergeant Mohane.
And he requested that we do an escort of a suspect for him.
Wase ke uyacela ke ukuthi si escorte ke umsolwa, sim escortele umsolwa.
Yes.
We met him at the police station.
Sahlangana naye ke police station.
Yes, which police station?
Moot in Pretoria.
Sahlangana naye ke eMoot police station ese Pretoria.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Sergeant Mohane came with the suspect
Sergeant Mohane uyena owaza ke nomsolwa
to the vehicles. We were in the parking area ready to conduct the escort.
kanti ke uza naye khona laphana ke la sasipake khona ke imoto uza naye khona lapho ke thina ke sase silungiselele ukuthi sizo phana ngalezo inkonzo ke zoku escorta.
Yes.
From Moot, we escorted the suspect straight to Boksburg Magistrate Court.
Ukusuka ke eMoot sase ke si escorta ke umsolwa ukufika khona lapha na ke eBoksburg Magistrate Court.
Yes.
We arrived at the Magistrate Court in Boksburg, and then we escorted the suspect to the office of Ms. Cronje inside the Magistrate's Court.
Safika ke ku leyo nkantolo ke yase Boksburg. Uma ke sesifikile ke kuleyo nkantolo yase Boksburg, sangena ke sayofuna office ka uMamu Cronje.
And how were you in relation to the suspect? Were you in close proximity to the suspect, or what was the position?
Yes, we were walking him inside along to the office. Suspect was in handcuffs.
Umsolwa ke ube fake uzamkhosi kanti sasihamba nje eduze naye simfaka ngaphakathi kulesi sakhiwo senkantolo yase Boksburg.
Did you see any injuries on him at that point?
No visible injuries.
Amanxeba ebonakala bengekho.
Yes.
We met with the investigating officer, Mr. Mukhane,
Sahlangana naye ke lona ophenye icala ubaba uMkhane.
and
Where did you meet with him?
at the office of Ms. Cronje.
Sahlangana naye ke kule office ka Mamu Cronje.
Yes.
He mentioned to us that the suspect,
Yes, there was a discussion.
Yeah.
What happened?
there was a discussion, and then he introduced us to Ms. Cronje, stating that she would be the one taking down the statement of the suspect.
Wase ke uyasithula ke. Sibe nengxoxo nje phakathi kwethu naye lapho emva kwalokho ke wasithula kuye lona uMamu Cronje. Wase uyasitshela ke ukuthi uyena ke uzokwazi ukuthi athathe istatement esichamuka kumsolo.
Yes.
Ms. Cronje then requested for our appointment cards,
uMamu Cronje ke wase uyacela ke ukuthi simbonise ama appointment cards wethu.
and we handed it over to Mr. Mukhane, and he made copies thereof.
Sawanikeza ke ubaba uMkhane uyena ke owenza ama copy walamo appointment cards.
I just want to show you attachment C, which forms part of Exhibit JJ. Do you recognize the document?
Yes, I do, my lord.